Vivo S50 Pro Mini, and Vivo S50 to debut in China on December 15. The Vivo S50 is tipped to launch globally and in India as the Vivo V70. The Pro Mini model is likely to be rebranded as the Vivo X300 FE globally. The Vivo V70 Lite 4G was spotted at the Bluetooth SIG and FCC certification platforms. The Vivo V70 has been spotted in the IMEI database listing, now as the device has appeared on the Geekbench benchmarking platform. The Vivo V70 is equipped with the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4, paired with up to 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. The Vivo V70 is expected to feature a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with FHD+ resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. This ensures seamless multitasking, strong gaming performance, and smooth 5G connectivity. The Vivo V70 is rumored to pack a triple camera setup. The device may come with a 5000 mAh battery supported by 80W fast charging, allowing a full day of usage with quick top-ups. Vivo is expected to announce the Vivo V70 in the first quarter of 2026. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.